So what excellent rally, right? That too on an expiry day, to a gapping up 150 points, then I think 50 points gap up, then rallying around 200 points. And don't get into conclusions and don't go long in the market. Mark my words, when the market reaches 17,600, they will start to buy. They have just allowed for 2 or 3 days. Even now, they have not allowed, in the sense they have reduced the selling pressure. And if you see HDFC Bank, in HDFC Bank, short covering is happening or profit booking is happening. That's why the market has gone little bit slightly up on the upside. HDFC, Infosys and Reliance is also supporting the move because of I don't know the technicals. They are saying so many things about Reliance. I don't know about the technicals about Reliance, and because of that market is going up. Mark my words, 17,600. So if you see this chart, you can observe, or you can identify what is happening in the market. So this is the daily chart of Nifty 50, and if you see here, there is a gap on April 16th and 17th. So this has been a confluence area. So if you see here, 13th December, there was a rejection. It acted as a resistance. Then on 30th of September, this acted as a support. Then this is a confluence area. So there are a lot of things happening around this 17,500 to 17,600 area. So that could be acting as a supply zone. So and closes above 17,500, I will wait and I will short 18,000 or even 17,800 call option. Now that is what we have been doing. Yesterday I told, right, we shorted on the downside, we shorted 16,800 put option, 17,000 put option, and we were expecting, because 17,000 is emotional support. So if you have been noting, this is the third time. So even in this chart, you can see 29th November, there was a rejection on this area. Then on 14th of February, there was rejection. And the day before yesterday also, there was a rejection in 17,000. So 17,000 is for the time being acting as a psychological support. Now if 17,000 is going to be taken out, I really don't know. It should be taken out on the coming days. Nothing is in good. Whatever is happening is just because of HDFC. Had we not having, if we were not into this HDFC drama, taking it to 17,000 and bringing it back to 13,000, market would have been stable now. At least we would have made some money, right? Even though we made money, this was very tough. This month on month, it is getting really, really tough. That's what these weekly options and monthly options, straddle, strangle, ratio spread, whatever strategy, short-term strategy you take, it is not likely to work. So that is what is happening, and that is what we are seeing. And the another major thing is, if you see today, you see if it is gapping up. Yesterday's close was around 17,150 and today's open is around 17,200, around 70-80 points gap up, then rallying another 210 points. So that is very insane, right? So why they have to bring it from bring it to 17,000, then again take it back to 17,000? Markets are simply volatile and it is insane. Yeah, this is the chart. Markets are simply volatile and it is insane. We are finding it very hard to trade in this market, and many people will tell that and this, all bullshit. They can talk anything on the comment section, but trading in live market, you have to see the stress, seeing at the MTM profits or MTM profits is success. That's what you can manage. You can manage the profit. How you will manage the loss? When you see a MTM loss, big 6-digit MTM loss, you have to simply sit and you have to watch. You have to hope that the market is going to recover or theta decay is going to happen. So the point here is, there is no big any positive news. Even now oil prices are high. It is more than $100, and even inflation worries are there. Russia-Ukraine issue has intensified. Now corona issue is also lined up. Now all these news, I don't know how things are going to be. Markets are likely to be choppy only on the coming days. Now they are saying a fourth wave or fifth wave of coronavirus is coming. That also nowadays nobody cares about corona fifth wave or even 10th wave. I don't think so. But this inflation worry is going to be very relevant, and this is going to affect the markets. That is what I think. Going forward, RBI, maybe next RBI meeting, they are likely to increase the rate also. That's what I think. And I can tell you this is purely because of HDFC short covering. Otherwise, market would have gone. And even if you see the HDFC chart, let me show you. HDFC chart 13,000 is a good support. So previously, if you see, there was a rejection around 13,000 in HDFC. So that is acting as a support. That could be the reason why there was a short covering or profit booking in HDFC. Otherwise, market would have gone easily another 200, 300 points. We would have tested 16,800, which was the previous low. That is also 16,800 is also previous low. So if you let me show you. Yeah, this candle which was formed on December, low was around 16,400. So we can test 16,000. This candle's high, which is around 16,800, can be tested. Yeah, can be tested. And if we are 16,800 is taken, direct 16,400. So that is what I think. So this is the chart. Sorry. So 16,000 on 20th of December, 16,000 low was 16,400. So if 16,800 is taken, then we can see market towards 16,400. Only God knows what is going to happen and how things are going to span out. Markets are really choppy. If you are making more than 2% in this market, in this kind of market, I can tell you, you are a very talented person. Making money in this market is really, really very hard. And I'm not talking generally. I'm talking for the last 2 or 3 months. It's been very, very choppy. Nowhere it is not at all. It is going high down like ECG, but it is kind of at the same place for last 6 or 7 months. But it is very choppy. It is moving up, down, sideways. Everything is happening. I don't know what is the scenario, and I really don't know how much time the markets are going to be like this, and it is going to be very hard for option sellers to be in this kind of market. So you, not only this markets, any field, you have to have a reliable, sustainable growth, right? You, at least if the markets are super volatile, super choppy, nobody is going to make money. So that is what is happening for the last 3 or 4 months. And I think at least these things should subside. Maybe, I don't know. If you know, you let me know on the comment section below. Lots of negative news are making the market super volatile. So that is what is my observation. Unless until these things are subsiding and we are stabilizing, then we can see market stabilizing. Otherwise, it's very hard. So let's hope for the best. It was a good expiry, made some decent profit. One more week to go. Let's see how April expiry spans out. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.